Bala, the scientific name is Psidium guayaba. 1, 2, 3. So this is the red centered.
It's like having a potato chip. Once you pop, you can't stop. Your bala is tastier
It's good.
because you're the master chef.
Hi everyone, it's Jason and welcome to Jason's Table Fruit Lab, where we're taking a look at some of Taiwan's amazing fruits. But first, let me introduce my guest, Dennis.
Wow,
Dennis,
I'm
hi.
DJ Dennis. Good to have you.
Thank you so much. Thanks for coming.
Welcome back home, Jason.
Thank you.
And thank you for putting us, Taiwan, on the map. Before MasterChef, we're like this. After MasterChef, we're like this.
Oh, no, that's too kind. That's too kind.
That is a
That's
true
too
thing.
kind. Well, I'm just really grateful because of all the opportunities to come back to Taiwan. I get to eat some of my favorite things. And one of my favorite fruits when I come visit is guava.
Guava
Yes,
is
in Chinese it's called
bala.
Bala, yeah. So I realized Bala is the Taiwanese pronunciation. In Mandarin, it's called Ba Le.
In the music industry, Taiwan,
Yeah.
if the song is really cliche, this song is so bala.
Oh, really? Just
Bala song.
just like very.
Or your
puton.
love story is so cliche.
Okay.
Oh, your story is so bala.
Wow.
So that's a turn in the music industry.
I didn't know that. So no wonder when I said I want to do a program and I want to do fruits and I want to do Bala, everyone said that's really boring. But I think it's not, because there's so many interesting things to know about this fruit. So Bala, the scientific name is Psidium guayaba, and it is native to Central America.
It's an
Mexico.
immigrant to
It's
Taiwan.
1981 in Kaohsiung, they introduced one of the best varieties, which is called the Zhenzu Bala.
The pearl bala.
Pearl Bala, yeah. But a question for you, Dennis. Taiwanese farmers, in order to improve the taste of their guava fruits, what do they water the plants with? Do they water A, with milk? Or B, do they water the guava plants with vegetable juices? Like
Veggie juice
Yeah.
or milk.
Yes.
According to MasterChef, Gordon Ramsay said, good stuff, cook in their own juice.
Okay.
So I will guess veggie juice.
Is he correct? No.
Oh,
Okay.
you don't cook in your own juice.
No, well, apparently not for guava. So actually, guava farmers water their trees with fermented milk
No
products.
way, that's very expensive.
Yeah. So Dennis, the guava, fortunately, you can find 12 months out of the year in Taiwan. And the majority of Bala is produced in Kaohsiung, so in the southern part. The first variety here, this one is called the Pearl Bala, or Zhenzu Bala. And again, I mentioned there is a special region, Kaohsiung, called Yancao, which has volcanic soil, so the best quality Zhenzu Bala are from there. This next one we have is the Hongxing, or the red. And then we have also, this one is called the Dihuang, or Emperor. And the last one we have is a little unusual, and you can tell by just touching it, the texture is a little different.
Oh, these are the soft one I had.
Soft, right. So this one is called xiangsui, or perfume bala.
Wow.
Soft bala. And this one has a really strong aroma to it.
Oh, this is my favorite.
So if you're looking for a really guava-y flavor, this is the one to go to. But this one is a little bit less common in Taiwan.
So, 香水 perfume.
Xiangsui perfume. I think we should have a taste test.
we should,
So
huh?
let's cut them up and let's taste test them.
Okay, let's do it.
First one we're gonna cut. Dennis, this is the regular pearl. Okay, so we cut right in half, and then there you
Okay,
go.
oh.
And I usually cut off the tail end a little bit, because this is where the flour was, and sometimes there's a little bit of mold or other things in there, and that can affect the taste.
So both sides, right?
I like to just cut it into wedges.
Wow, your knife skill is awesome.
Thank you.
So do we shape the skin off?
I personally eat the skin because I think there's a lot of nutritional value. I don't mind.
Your bala is tastier
It's good.
because you're the master chef.
No, it's because we got it straight from the farm, so.
It's like having a potato chip. Once you pop, you can't stop.
Guava is definitely super nutritious as well, super high in fiber. Okay, so we
So
tried.
one apple a day keep doctors away. One guava a day keep 5 doctors away.
Super high nutrition content.
Bye-bye, doctors. See you no more.
All right, so we have our next variety, which is the Emperor. And I'm going to
Emperor.
cut this right in half. So this has characteristics of the pearl guava, but it's an improved version.
Even more crunchy. Not that sweet. Is that true?
You're right, it's not as sweet as the other
Right? This emperor is on diet.
one. And I say a little bit more juicy, but the texture, it's a little bit more crunchy.
Oh my God, it tastes the same to me.
Okay, okay. All right, next one. Let's take a look at the shangshui.
Xiangshui.
So here we go.
Oh.
And you can see it's much softer, much easier to cut through.
This is it.
That one tastes good?
Bozai.
Okay.
Oh, this is so good. Oh, this is so good.
Creamy texture, aroma of the guava. Like if you're having guava juice or guava candy, that's the flavor you're talking about.
It's like having a really good soup. It goes into your tongue and go around your mouth.
The aroma.
Like having a party in my mouth.
It's delicious.
I hear techno now.
Dennis, here's our last variety of guava. This one is called Hongxing or the Red Heart. Okay, here's a surprise. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So this is the red centered. A lot of people say that the flavor on this one is a little bit like a drier texture. Okay, cheers. Let's try this one.
This is like really good fruit. Better than the pearl one. Better than the king one. But it doesn't taste here though. It's on diet.
Super high in fiber. It's a little bit sweeter to me right when you put it in your mouth. I wouldn't say guava is the most strong flavored fruit, but the perfume one we had has a lot of flavor.
Oh, that one's good.
Yeah, but this
That's
one's
Jessica
more,
Alba.
I'd say more for texture. If you had to pick which one's your favorite, which one would you say?
Jessica Alba. Jessica Alba.
Got the flavor. Got the flavor. Okay. So let's take a look. And Dennis, if I put out 1
Oh,
and I put out 2 powders,
2 powders.
this one is the Meizifen. So otherwise it's sour plum powder.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So let's have a dip here. And let's tell everyone what this tastes like. So they'll shake it up in a bag for you, and then with the guava, you can taste it.
Daniel Powder has a song, Bad Day. When we have a bad day, you'll dip Meizifen. And it's a good day. Everything tastes good.
Okay. So Meizifen, slightly sour, a little. It's made from dried plums. A little bit of salt content in there.
Pretty good. Everything will be
and
good.
it's interesting, salt with the sweet. Salt really brings out the sweetness in the guava. So, okay.
Very
so
good
plum
touch.
powder with guava. That's a definitely
Very
must
good
have,
touch.
yeah. All right. Let's try the other one. The other powder we have here is licorice, 甘草粉.
Oh, 甘草粉.
Yes. This is a special blend of herbs, but predominantly has licorice root ground up. What's the flavor like?
I smell Chinese medicine.
This one is very kind of on the saltier side, and it has, just like you said, Chinese medicine, a little herbal taste to it. It does bring out the sweetness that's in the guava, and I think highlights some interesting flavor nuances that you're
Let's
getting
mix
here.
it. That's what happened.
Yeah, you can double dip. Let's dip one. So if you had to pick, well, maybe that's the best of both worlds, a little bit of each.
It worked.
Boom.
It worked.
Salt there really brings out the sweetness in there. So if you're at a night market or you're at a store, they'll serve you the guava.
Double dip.
Double dip. Dennis says double dip.
Double dip.
So now that we talked a little bit more about the inside of the fruit, we have a delicious experiment.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Time for a delicious experiment.
Whoa, what are we going to do about
And
it?
we're gonna make a salad dressing.
Guava salad?
Yes.
Guava
so
salad?
Let's take a look at the ingredients here. We have the inside of the guavas. We have some yogurt. We have a little mayonnaise. So in our blender, we're gonna put in the guava seeds, put in the yogurt. Delicious.
None flavor.
The mayonnaise.
The mayonnaise?
Yeah,
The whole thing?
Yeah, you can put the whole thing in there.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Okay.
Fantastic. Okay, and then you can put in the honey.
honey.
And then I'm gonna put in the olive oil. So olive oil, in we go. But we'll let that go for a little bit. Awesome, and I'm gonna pour this right here into our bowl.
Guava salad dressing.
Stir it around in the yogurt and the mayonnaise. Just gives a nice flavor component in there and that little bit of honey. And we can put this on here.
Guava salad. I never
salad
had this
dressing,
in my
yeah.
life.
Or you can try some, yeah.
How does? It's good.
Kind of different, yeah.
It's good.
So I think this would be great with the fruit salad too, but anything savory. It's good with the dipping for the cucumbers, but
It tastes like a Tesla. The new energy of a fruit.
so next time don't throw out your guava seeds, you can make a delicious dressing.
Well, this is good stuff. No wonder you're the master chef.
So talking about pairing guava with other foods, guava, which is super high in antioxidants, and you mentioned before, a guava actually has 65 times more vitamin C than an apple.
65.
Yes. So one guava can actually mitigate the effects of nitrates and carcinogenic compounds in eating in 17 to 19 sausages.
Wow. So,
Yeah.
so, but barbecue tastes so good.
It's delicious.
It's awesome, like dating a bad girl. It's so good.
So next time you're eating your barbecue, just have a little guava on the side, and you're
Okay.
gonna make sure that you're gonna stay nice
So when
and
you're dating a
healthy.
bad girl, have a guava on the side too. Or save your ass.
So not only is guava eaten fresh, but there are lots of different products in Taiwan that feature guava. And
Yes.
Dennis, I heard that you brought some stuff for us to try.
I got a buddy called Marco.
Oh.
He actually blend guava into different form.
Okay.
Today could blend that into a cake.
Oh wow. So let's take a look and let's try.
Marco, bring it up.
I'm super thrilled, Dennis. Thank you for bringing a really beautiful cake here. So what kind of cake is
It's a red guava
Yeah.
chiffon cake.
chiffon cake?
So Taiwanese like to blend fruit into the bakings. This is one of the icon.
So let's cut right into here.
It looks so good though.
It does look good, and it's just beautiful. The pink guava, really, the color is beautiful. And slice here.
So that actually is red guava.
Oh yeah. So,
I need a private moment. Okay. Oh my God. I have tears in my eyes. So. Oh, I missed it.
this is good. This is good. It's lightly chilled. It's the guava jam in between there. It has that little bit of grainy texture from the guava, but flavor is way more concentrated. You have a little fresh guava on the
It has
outside.
layers. The taste coming in layers.
Okay.
Like Boys to Men. The harmonies. The layers. Oh,
If I had this for a birthday, I would not complain.
Oh.
I'd be a happy birthday boy.
I'm having a good day.
Okay. Before we eat all the cake,
Oh, yes,
better
we will.
just say thank you to Dennis for coming to visit today. I appreciate it. As we took a closer look at the ubiquitous but delicious guava, this is Jason at Jason's Table Fruit Lab, and we will see you next time. Bye.